Hi guys and welcome to another video. So because we're gonna work with Numpy, I'm gonna make this video to talk about Numpy because you guys need to understand how this works. Okay, so you need to install Numpy on Windows, and I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to install Numpy on Windows. But this video is about Numpy library. Okay, so to import Numpy, you could do import Numpy. Okay, but usually what we do is Numpy as np to use a shorter name. So if I type numpy np, I'm gonna see this, which is the location of the module. Okay, let's drag this up a little bit. So let's create a array of zeros. To do that, I'm gonna call zeros, which be equal np dot zeros, and I pass a number. For instance, I'm gonna pass 5, which if I type zeros, I'm gonna see that I have a array with 5 numbers. To see the length, I'm gonna use this function. It returns 5 because we have 5 elements on this list, or this array actually. So this is how create a array of zeros. To create an array of ones, I'm gonna use ones, which be equal np dot ones. Okay, again 5 numbers. And if I call ones, I'm gonna see that I have an array of 5 numbers. Pretty quickly, okay. So to create a simple array where with whatever data we have, you could create something like X, which you're gonna see very much on this course array, and we're gonna pass some numbers, okay, as a list. Is actually you can pass a list of numbers, and will be converted to a NumPy, which is NumPy array, which is highly optimized for computation. Okay, so if I pass some numbers right here, as you guys can see, have X, which is our numbers. Okay, so this is a very quick introduction, guys. Hope you like it. See you guys next time.